start with your left hand overhand, your right hand underhand. And then what I want to do is at the same time, stall both of them, change direction, and then your left is under, your right is over. And then stall again, circle, stall, circle, stall, circle, stall, circle. Okay, so if you came out and you did the same number I did, your left would be underhand and your right would be overhand. Now, what we're gonna do is, I'll show you from this angle for the second. I'm gonna spread my legs so that both poi can stall under the legs. And I'm taking out the circle in the middle. Although I could perform it that way, but I also perform it this way. So if we start in opposite direction, like left hand underhand, right hand overhand, the left will come from behind, the right will come from the front, and then try and keep each one of them on their own side of the body as you stall, and then change direction. And then we're gonna do the same thing, only the right will come from the back and the left will come from the front. Boom. And after the 2 stalls, you should be back where you started, left underhand, right overhand. So every time you stall, the poi changes direction. Or we could just look at it this way for a second. Let's just do your left hand. It's gonna stall from the back, stall from the front, stall from the back, stall from the front, stall from the back, stall from the front, stall from the back, stall from the front. And you could just take out the circle in the middle. So it's just a stall and a stall and a stall, and not a wrap, not a tap, but a stall. So it's actually going between your legs, not touching you. I mean, you can cheat and touch yourself, but I can't even finish that sentence. You can cheat and touch yourself, what? Okay, so anyway, let's do the right hand. We're overhand with the right. Let's go from the front and then over to the back, and then to the front, and then to the back, and to the front, and back, and front, and back, and front, and back. And feel invited to cheat and touch yourself here too, if you need to. Okay, so right hand overhand, left hand underhand. Let's just do one stall, left from the back, right from the front, stall, change direction, and come up in circles so that your left is over and your right is under. And then we're gonna stall again, left from the front, right from the back, and then bring it up into circles so the right is over, left is under. And then stall again, back to the circle, and then stall again, back to the circle, and then stall again, back to the circle, stall again, back to the circle, stall again, to the circle, and stall, and circle, and stall, and then just take out the circle in the middle, so you're doing a stall, and a stall, and a stall, and a stall. Bring the poi out on your side. Make sure your left hand's overhand, right hand's underhand. We're going to turn to the right, come into an underhand butterfly facing the front. Take out right, take out left, take out right, take out left, go up right, go up left, go up right, go up left. Both up in the angel and down. Angel and down, angel and down. Back to butterfly, small, small, big, and around. 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 Down to the underhand opposite hip reel. And then bring your hands to the butterfly in the front. Take your right hand out. Turn to the right. Spread your legs. Stall the left one behind, the right one in front. Stall the right one behind, left one in front. Left behind, right in front. Come out in circles. Left hand should be overhand, right hand is underhand. Turn to the right, away from me. Come into underhand butterfly. Take your right poi out. Turn to the right, toward me. Come into overhand butterfly. And then we're going to do a left turn, left out, turn, come into underhand butterfly. Left out, turn, come into overhand butterfly. Move over to the right side of your room. We'll traverse to the left. Left out, step right. Bring the right poi into underhand butterfly on the back. Left out, step the left foot back. Bring the right hand in. Now on this side, do a take out right, take out left. Go up right, go up left. And then angel twice. And then we'll do small, small, and big. And now we're going back to the right hand side. So we're gonna turn right out, step your left foot forward. Left poi comes into underhand butterfly on the back wall. And then right poi out as you turn to the right and step your right foot back. Bring your left poi into overhand butterfly on the front. And left out, then right out, then left up, then right up, then angel twice. And then we'll go butterfly, butterfly, big. And now we'll go back to the left. Left out, step your right foot forward as you turn left. Bring your right poi into underhand butterfly on the back wall. Left poi comes out, step the left foot back, turn, and come into overhand butterfly on the front. And right out, right up, left up, angel twice, and butterfly, and big. And then we'll go back to the right, right out, step left, turn right, left poi comes into underhand butterfly, right comes out as you turn to the right, step the right foot back, left poi comes into overhand butterfly, and last time left out, left up, right up, butterfly, angel, 2 butterflies, and big.